The Magellano 25 meter is a yacht designed for relaxed, long-range cruising in maximum comfort. On first stepping aboard, the unusual size of the cockpit is striking, as is the longitudinal layout. The table can be raised and lowered to transform from a coffee table to a dining table. And a nice touch is the transom platform that opens up to reveal a transparent glass balustrade, a sort of infinity terrace over the sea. The spiral staircase recalls some of the larger yachts that Ken Freevock has designed. Moving forward, the side decks are comfortably wide and well protected by the high bulwarks. The foredeck space can be used as either a lounging or sunbathing area. The flybridge offers a living area aft, fitted with furnishings all custom designed by Decotis, including the dining table that, besides being large and comfy, has an unexpectedly irregular shape. The bar area is a good size and functional, and all the furniture units on the sides of the dining area contain ample storage, as well as a pop-up TV. The most strikingly original setting is the huge saloon, in which Decotis strives to increase the perception of depth. Designed to offer a view of the sea from any point, the space is no longer confined by a classic rectangular floor plan and is flooded throughout with natural light. The dining table can be arranged lengthwise, and the living area is based on the concept of organic geometry, with different shaped sofas that offer different depths. The interior furniture recalls the shape of the dry bar outside, creating an indoor-outdoor connection in order to get the sensation of a unified space overlooking the sea for a seamless on-the-water experience. Still on the main deck, the stairway is clad with mirrors to dematerialize the structure by reflecting the light. In the accommodation area on the lower deck, there are 4 cabins. In the owner's suite, thanks to the inclined position of the walk-in closet, the space extends out while the mirrored cladding makes the volumes disappear and reflects the light, creating highly suggestive and changing optical effects. The wash basin area has been left exposed in line with the most recent architectural trends, enriching the suite with design details and a strong personality. A dressing room and a vanity table complete the setting. All the fabrics on board are by Loro Piana Interiors. Among the features that make this boat perfect for long stays on board is the layout of the crew area. The crew quarters are totally independent, with direct access from the forward galley to avoid interference with guest movements and ensure a high level of privacy. Between the lounge and the small forward dinette, there is a double door covered in mirrors. Depending on the situation, it can be closed, providing a dedicated area for the crew with a comfortable crew mess, the galley, and access to the 2 cabins, bathroom and pantry. Leaving the door open instead provides a breathtaking view of the horizon from the door of the salon. In the interior wheelhouse, the sofa slides electrically when you want to use it as a co-pilot seat during navigation. And last but not least, the Magellano 25 meter is one of the few yachts in its category to have direct access from the interior wheelhouse, located in a raised position on the main deck, to the one on the fly deck, so as to facilitate the work of the captain and crew.